burnt out on an afternoon. The flame was so bright, but it burned so soon. Now there's nothing left to go up in flames. Don't you look back, don't look back in sorrow. The clouds of today will pass tomorrow. Don't you look back, don't look back in sorrow. These ashes don't look so bad, remind us of all we had. light to the other side. Don't you look back, don't look back in sorrow, because of today will pass tomorrow. Don't you look back, don't look back in sorrow, because I just don't look so bad. Remind us of all we life in a dream, we're living life on the other side. We felt alive in a dream, we brought a light to the other side.
Hey, there we go. Okay, let's check, make sure everything runs smoothly here. How's the video look? Sound? Okay, based on what I'm seeing, the video does look a bit choppy. And I don't know if it's just me or if it's actually is choppy. Let's see here. Let me know how it sounds and looks here. Okay. So we will get going then. And on to the code. Okay, so last time we last left off right here. We need to run these through the correct checks because we're on to one set of 4 and one run of 4. So the problem becomes, because they're both the length of them should both be 4, we can't simply check the length to determine how we've got to run them. Though I think I've figured something out. Let's see here. Okay, everything's set here. You know, I am going to start new here. What I am doing is building Phase 10 to work in a chat-based interface. Oops. Phase start. There we go. And then right here, phase join. Phase begin. Oh hey, the top card is wild. Okay, so we need a set of 4 and a run of 4. So what we'll do is we'll adjust some variables here to set us at phase 3. And we will run this through. We've got 2 10s, a wild 12, 11, or 2 12s, 2 10s, a wild 11, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a run of 4. Now we need to get our set of 4. So phase take and phase discard blue 3. Okay. Hey HTC, what's going on? Okay, so we got 10 7 3 8 1 11 7 1 10 skip. Wow. So we'll take that 3. Phase discard white skip Darman. Phase draw. Okay, so we got another 3. Let's see. Let's get rid of a 10. Phase discard. Yellow 10. Hold on. Oh, we've got green, not yellow. My bad. Green. Now it is Darman's turn, who will then... Hey, you're not supposed to open. Who will then take that card. Okay, so we got 9, 10, 11, 12, and 3 wilds, 3 12s, or 3 10s, 3 12s, 3 11s. Right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 10 wild. Oh, we've got our 2 4s. Phase lay. Red 10. Blue 11. Actually, blue 12. Red 10. Blue 11. Red 9. Then red 10. White. Wild. White. Wild. Green 10. Hey! Okay. Okay, so part 1, part 2, that's all set. And they're split with spaces. So, got talk that. We're going to do 44. $32. 1 comma and 2 comma. And we'll do the same thing here. And that should correctly run that. 4. And we do it for part 2 as well. There. Yeah, I see that. I see you joined the room. Okay. So from there, let's run the test. And something broke. Invalid if format, line 8. Yep, I got it. Too many closing parentheses there. Ooh. Our first. Ooh. So. A third. Okay, so there's 9, 10, 11. Oops. 11. And there's the 12. Control V. Red, comma 1, and it was a 10. Okay. So let's try this again. Okay, something's not working right there. Glad I decided to do that at that point. Okay, 2. Alright, so what is going on here? Set 4, run 4. Let's see. Phase checks. I think I may know what's going on. No. Okay, so it's something with the sets, it seems. What's going on there? So let's go back to phase 3. Comment that. What I'm doing right now is I'm working on the third phase. If you've ever played Phase 10, is essentially they describe it as a rummy type card game. You can see it right here, and on the objective of the game is to complete all 10 phases, which are listed on the back here. So we're working on the third phase right there, which is one set of 4, one run of 4. So we're trying to get that to work correctly. Okay. Oop. Yep, gotta do that. Okay, so now why is it 2 and 3? Okay, I think I know. If I go to the main here, phase lay, Nick, 3 to the end. Okay, so it's phase lay, first set, which is 3, fourth set, or second set, which is 4. So that's 3 and since 3 and 4. But something's going on that's causing it to message Nick. That. And then part 2. And we will reset this to that. Phase to 3. No, you're not stupid for not knowing how it works. Very few people would actually understand this, because to be able to understand it, you have to have really learned how to use it. You're coming in fairly late to the build of this, so there's already a lot of stuff that's already set up. Now it doesn't hurt to keep watching, because you'll still be able to learn some new things just because of bugs that need to be fixed. Part 1, part 2 does not get set. Phase temp. Oh, that's why. It's not set yet. Sorry about that. So, I think no, I need to reset everything still. There we go. So, try this again. Okay, but what's happening that's causing it to put them together? So I'm going to do this. And we'll see if the change is there, which I'm expecting it to be in that spot. Yeah. That's supposed to be part 2. So it's something going on in this section here. And we're checking the run. So that's the set. Right here's the run. Four to the end. I'm wondering. So I'm going to go through and change these to say like set. Temp set. And we'll see if that might fix it. Because I have a feeling that it's actually a shared variable that's not getting reset that's causing this. Alright, see you later, Egg. Thanks for coming by. Set. Glad to see you're still here, HGC. Set. Set. There's a lot more of these than I expected. set. Actually, that needs to remain that. Set, 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 set. Okay, we're getting close to being done here. Phase temp, phase 1, part 1. I don't know why that's that. Well, it should be that. Okay, so we'll see if that fixes it. I'm hoping it does. That did not. Why is it doing that? Oh, I think I may know. Now hold on. Oop. I don't understand what's going on here. Why are you not... I'm going to try to reverse these here. And see what happens. Got ahead of myself. What? Oh. What? Except more than one of the same number. Yeah, there's supposed to be. Okay, so it's catching on phase 1 now. Or part 1. Aha. Wait, no. I have no idea what's going on here. Something's broken, I don't know what. And I know for a fact it's in here. Within the set section. Okay. What's the error? so first, let's change that to an an. Green 10, red 10? What? How's the green 10 getting in there, though? That's the question. Okay, so we'll do percent phase underscore temp underscore. Just to go through okay. Okay, I'm thinking that might be what was causing that. We'll find out here soon once we run a test. Nope. You know what? Let's try that. And that'll identify where the issue is. Okay. So I am sending the run second. And it is happening in this section, as we have just found out. Which tells me it has something to do with the run check. Phase 1, Part 2. That's all getting sent. Okay, if I swap their position. For whatever reason, it gives an error then. See, now it's got no issues with taking that. Okay. So it's something with the run. Right? Or no. It's something with that second check. That regardless of what the outcome is, it's not working. If I do... Okay, yep, 44 is a comma. Phase 1, Part 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I know what it is. Because this isn't factoring in for wilds. Which that could easily cause a problem if both of them use wilds in the same spot. I'm not sure. And about the best I could do would be wild checks to just even find out. I guarantee if I move that white wild out of that spot, there wouldn't be any problems. Well, that's not to say someone else wouldn't put it there. And this is the only phase where this problem will occur. Because the next phases run just one run of 7, one run of 8, one run of 9, 2 sets of 4. 2 sets of 4. I mean, we just run them through the set check. It makes no difference. 7 cards of one color. 1 set of 5, 1 set of 2, 1 set of 5, 1 set of 3. So, I mean, this is the only one where this issue happens. I'm not sure. Well, the only way that would work to fix it would be to run them both through both. What do you think, HGC? I'm really not sure. I'll get this locked as a variable here. Ooh. What happened there? Unfortunately, I think I've hit a dead end on this until I can figure something out. Because I don't really want to have to go, don't really want to do all the work of setting up the code to essentially do exactly the same that these